In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Galileo or SoFi apps step-by-step installation guide. If you've heard the terms Galileo and SoFi together, here's a quick note before we begin. For everyday users, there isn't a separate consumer app called Galileo to install. The experience you're looking for is the SoFi app, which is powered by Galileo behind the scenes. With that cleared up, let's get you the official SoFi app safely on your device. Start by opening your device's app marketplace on an iPhone or iPad. Open the App Store on an Android device. Open the Google Play Store. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network and that you're signed into your Apple ID or Google account, since you'll need that to download apps. If your storage is nearly full, consider clearing a bit of space first so the installation completes smoothly. Once the store is open, tap the search bar and type SoFi. In the results, you're looking for the official listing named SoFi Bank Invest Borrow. Check that the developer shown is Social Finance Inc. Verifying the developer is an easy way to avoid lookalike apps that might appear in search results. If you don't see it right away, double check your spelling, then scroll a bit or filter by apps if your store provides that option. When you've confirmed you're on the correct app page, tap the Get or Install button. On iPhone, you may see a cloud download icon. On Android, you'll usually see Install. Your device might ask you to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, a passcode, or your store password. This is normal and helps protect your account. After you confirm, the download will begin automatically. Keep the store open for a moment and watch the progress ring or bar. If the download seems to stall, check your connection, pause and resume the download, or try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. When installation finishes, the button will change to open, and you'll also see the SoFi icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you don't see it right away, use your device's search feature and type SoFi to jump straight to it. A couple of quick tips if you can't find the app in search. The app may not be available in your current region, or parental controls and organization settings could be hiding it. Updating your device's operating system can also help with compatibility, and always download from the official App Store or Google Play Store to keep your device secure. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the official SoFi app, and future updates will arrive through your App Store automatically. When you're ready, you can open the app and continue from there.